What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny, back at it again. You guys, today it's the day we are finally installing the $500 wheels on the $500 Civic. Let's just get right into it. Jeez. Holy. Oh man. So I'm gonna try to max out the camber, and I also got a fender roller. I'm gonna try to roll that as much as possible, but I don't think we're not. Jesus. Oh my god. All right, let's see what we can do. We're hella close. We closed that a lot. And actually, I might even be able to drive like this. But this is that Mexi flush. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Not again. This is that Mexi flush. Ah! I don't know if I want to do that Mexi flush. No one has the tire that I need in stock. These tires are just a little bit too much. I'm gonna go lower. These are 205/15s. I'm gonna go down to 195 45/15. No one has it in stock at the moment. For the meantime, I think I'm just gonna roll all the fenders, order those tires, and come back, install them, and see how it goes. And then we're back. Last time we left off with the Civic, with the wheels that are the new wheels not fitting, or the tires I should say, weren't really fitting that well with the fenders. I rolled this side, I rolled the other side, I rolled this side right here. I even cambered it. You can see, let me show you guys a little. I cambered it a lot, and I rolled it just a tad bit, nothing too crazy. The wheel is rubbing on the inside. It's too much camber for right now, because those wheels are bigger. Here's the other side. I might just go back to what it was and just roll it, the fender, and that's about it. All right, let's get to it. I'm gonna go ahead and this is the side that I need to do. So I'm gonna do this side. Don't adjust the camber, leave it as is, and then see how it goes from there.
Here we go.
Alright guys, right here I rolled the fender. I didn't want to get too crazy with it and create bacon fenders, or a quarter panel, or quarter, whatever you want to call them. I did the same right over here. Look at that, check it out, not too bad. Adjusted the camera as well. And I got this lip that I didn't put on last time that I'm gonna head and install right now since the wheels are off.
So this is as far as we got with the Civic. This is how it's sitting currently. I wasn't able to really test drive it that much, only because I gotta head out. I installed the rear lip. Check it out. It's a subtle difference. It's kind of dark in here. See if I can brighten it up a bit. There we go. Not too bad. That's where we're at with that. There's still a few adjustments I need to make for this car. These wheels and tires are big. These are 17s. You don't really run that too often on a Civic. 16 at most. So I'm still rubbing here and there. Anyways, thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.